sound does a limping turkey make?
What sound does a limping turkey make?
Yeah.
Is it burr? I'm cold in Buffalo today.
No.
No? Okay, let's go to the other side of the driveway and find out the answer.
Wobble, wobble.
Wobble wobble is the sound a limping turkey makes
Uh-huh.
instead of gobble gobble.
Uh-huh.
Good one, buddy. High five. Are you excited about the snow?
Uh-huh.
When you woke up this morning, what did your face do? You know what this means?
What?
You might be able to ski sooner than later this year. All right, everybody. Have a great Saturday.
Have a good Saturday. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye. Stay warm.